Hello guys, we learned about link in the previous lesson. We are going to learn about design window today. That's a useful window for beginners and it have many uses for you. When you go to design window, you have a slide size that you can change, format background. We speak about format background that you can pick your background to be gradient fill, picture or texture, and also pattern. We talked about it in the previous lessons, but now we are going to talk about slide size. The standard slide size is okay and fit to the projectors and PCs you are going to present, but sometimes you want another slide size. You can from custom slide size choose the slide size you want. For example, let's go with A4 and in the landscape maximize. Okay, we have our A4 size, but let me just change something. Let it landscape. Okay, you see we have our offer page. What it's used for? Sometimes you want to, for example, create a form for everybody to sign. For example, let's say we want to put in the name of God here, and then for example we want to put here a shape, for example resemble name. Let me put it here, name, and make it from right. And also you want to, for example, age. Whenever you want to create some form, it's useful. You can create some form. We are going to create form in one of our lessons, but not today. You can create some form and you see the form is looking great. You can, for example, put some dots here. It's not professional, but it's good for now. And you see it's a place for you to find your note. And also one of the more interesting thing it has, let me just put the slide size to a standard. Okay, one of the interesting things that it has is that you can choose some templates. We have many templates for use there already. You can use them, for example this. And don't forget, when you add a template, when you go to insert and want to insert new slide, it have many kind of slide to add. If you don't understand what I say, let's go and look, for example, this template. You want to insert a new slide, you have this kind of a slide, and also this template don't have. Let me see if it has. One of these have. Okay, it's good. You use this template. When you go to new slide, you can add a slide like this or a slide like this. It's ready for you to add your picture, add your text, and add everything you want. It also have many beautiful templates. You can modify the templates by using this section here. For example, you can change the colors, you can change the fonts here, you can change the effects here. Everything you need. You can change the background style. You can change everything of the template here. And also, one of the important things is that here, you don't forget, you can also browse for template in your PC. If you have any template in your PC, you can use them too. This is the design page. It's useful and you can use it. It has beautiful and unique template. And also you can from here, from file, you can choose the themes. The PowerPoint give you. There are many themes. We are going to speak about them later, but just for now, we learn about templates. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This lesson is quick and ended soon. But don't forget to watch our another lessons and course. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means the world to me. I need your support. Have a good night. Until